This is Shavya. We are fourth team going to perform group discussion on topic should group discussion be part of placement. Of course, group discussions be a part of placement because the interviewer may assess the person by his attitude and the convincing manner through other person, whether the opposing person may talk negatively also. He should take in the positive manner, so that he should have patience in group discussion. He should show patience, so that we should have group discussions to know his patience and in his work.
By making group discussions, different people come with different ideologies, so we can decide what is correct and what is wrong. So group discussion is very important.
Every company is searching for a good employees. That the employees are good communicator or not is assessed to be a group discussion.
Yes, Suresh.
Yes, Suresh.
You said very well. If you want to company access a person to is a perfect to develop his company. So the person want to the person lot of persons has their graduates, postgraduates. They have a good academic performance, but they are in failures in communication. They want to convey. So GD is important.
Yes, I agree with you, Balaji. Because as the graduates may be equal in academics, but in order to extract a quality graduate from the group, GD should be a part of placement, because through this GD he can assess his multiple skills such as initiating, teamwork, and motivating others to speak. So through these skills he can assess whether he is fit or unfit for the job. So yes, I think GD must be a part of placement.
Yes, I agree with you, Jansi. As GD being a part of recruitment, it helps a lot in the process of selecting persons from this competitive world, as many of the people are entering to select a person or the best one from the rest of all. The recruiter or interviewer requires less time, so that he used GD.
May I know that is an elimination or selection process? Z.
Yeah, obviously it could be an elimination process, because in a large crowd of people who are going to attend an interview, the HR manager or the other person who is going to judge them would feel comfortable in eliminating others who are making mistakes over there. Just like their attitude towards others, if they are harsh, they will eliminate them, so that it would be very easy process to eliminate others than to select who are good at that.
May I know that in other activities it is possible? I think so.
For example, if you work on one company, then we want to done one project, we want to explain in a meeting. So we want in other activities like Jam, it is a one way. So we can explain our feelings and experience there. In debates, only we can say about only for. So we don't take about the English. In group discussion, we can discuss about both is advantages and disadvantages. So the group discussion is important, and here the teamwork also developed.
For another example, and you are work from a company. For a company, any work or project is completed with the help of teamwork. That the teamwork is assessed to be a group discussion.
Yes, I completely agree with what he has said. Because when Leela said that can't we analyze the graduates through other activities? Yes, we can. But when compared to GD, in GD we can assess his skills in his multiple skills, such as he can even convince others, or he can convince with the others first. So it's also a skill, right? So in order to assess his skills, GD must be a part of the placements.
But debate is also in one activity. That means we can assess his or her communication skills and how he is opposing and how he is arguing.
Sorry,
GD.
Sorry, I may not agree with you, Leela. As in GD, suppose in future company we have a project given to us. For that, teamwork is required, communication is required. In these aspects, to assess a person, group discussion is better. So that I think group discussion is better to have in recruitment process.
And in
Actually,
GD,
you have to say that it is not an argument. That means the person who is speaking is conveniencing in her point of view. But when compared to ZD, we have to search for a perfect solution.
Yes, here the topic is on GD, but some of us are deviated on jam topics. In a real GD, if such person does see similar mistakes, he will be simply eliminated. So that we can conclude that group discussion should be a part of placement cell, because there we meet different persons coming from different areas. For example, if I given a topic, I may know only some facts regarding that, and the other person knows the facts that are unknown to me. When we both meet and have a group discussion on that, we definitely have all our points correlated and we can come to a solution perfectly. So, group discussion is helpful in problem solving even. So, HR manager can even test the problem solving capacity of a person using group discussion. And so it should be a part of a group discussion. Thank you.
As
So everyone has participated. You have done very good in the debate. As I said that you should not go for the negative remarking, but still I could not stop because you should know about your where exactly you have done. You are in the whole discussion. You will keep on asking.
I am against for that.
You are against for that, and you are showing that you are not disagreeing. So at least rather than asking questions, you should support your disagreement with some stating points.
But in that, I am just I am in confusion, ma'am. That means whether GD is important or other activities are important to assess a person who is perfect in things, skills,
Okay.
knowledge, whatever.
Well, whatever maybe exactly your opinion, you have discussed well, wonderful. Where exactly I can find that, okay, today Shabia also has spoken, taken once, but still she has taken only once. As sorry, we have cut short your time to 7 minutes. Maybe you did not get much chance, but next time I will may ask you to go for the 10 minutes of group discussion. Apart from that, everyone involvement is good. Okay. The main thing is some of you are debating from the topic where exactly you have to say, should group discussion be the part of the campus placements. So when content is very well known to you, you can speak much further. But when the content is not known to you, the problem is you struggle with the speech. Though you know what to speak, but how to speak you can't speak. Okay. So better have a proper content next time on. Get clear.
Revati, if you involve me, I feel very happy. Just I'm waiting for. But you think that I'm only for the camera?
Sorry, ma'am, I did not.
Yeah, that's it. That's I'm asking. And you had an opportunity to watch, like your previous batch, how they participated. I think before if they participated, you are here only, right? But you didn't recognize how they involved, even though they are very 7 in number, right? How the coordination, the way they are speaking, you didn't observe. The first 2 batches, how they participated, you also in that line. And you didn't observe what are the good things your previous batches they did. Right? Each and every point, everyone, like how they are taking an opportunity, grabbed an opportunity, involving an opportunity, you didn't observe. Again, that's why you did the same mistake what your first and second batches did. Commonly, generally you are speaking, and even though you have watched many group discussions, even though you have watched many videos, you didn't take anything into your discussion. You didn't think. And what's there in your mind, you are speaking and you are discussing. Means you are not taking the good phrases, you didn't take any kind of the refinement language. right? That is completely absurd. And also Leela, group discussion, we have to speak about our opinion. Even that confusing or something, you should not ask the questions, may I know, can I know? You need not. According to my view, I think so and so. That you need to speak. According to my view, maybe that is their view. It's not a debate to get the solution, it's not some other thing to get the solution. You need to come up with your views, they are coming with their views. Okay? Keep concentrate, take the things, take the phrases from that. What is there in your book, what is there in that other examples of the group discussion, try to take that. Next team.
16 leaders. What is the topic?